Hello, math friends. This week we are working on geometry. So we are going to be looking at some shapes. The two things that we're going to look at with the shapes are the sides and the vertices. Let's look first at the term side. The side is the outside edge of a shape. You can see in the picture here, we have a hexagon and it has 6 sides. Each side has a little mark on it there. Our other term is vertices. Vertices are where sides meet the corners. Here we have 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Our first shape that we're looking at is the square. Here is the square, the green square. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 vertices or corners. And all 4 of the square sides are the same length. Next up we have the circle. You can see a blue circle on your screen. A circle has no sides. That means it has no straight lines. It also has no vertices, no corners. It is completely round. It is a curved surface. Our next shape is the triangle. You see a red triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It also has 3 vertices or corners. And the sides do not have to be the same length, but they can be. And our last shape that we have is the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 corners or vertices. And the sides are not all the same length. They are parallel, meaning the side on the top and the side on the bottom are the same size, and the side on the left and the side on the right are the same size. That's it, friends. That's our 4 shapes for this week. Let's practice.